Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Class Fashion Ideas by Ushna. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. Friends, before moving to the details of this video, I have a very humble request to you that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could be notified with my latest updates and uploads. Now let's move back to the video. Friends, in this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and yet again easy to make hand embroidery designs of face masks. These face masks are very unique, latest and beautiful at the same time. Friends, my one and only simple and humble request to you is that do wear face masks while going out, because coronavirus is a very dangerous and pandemic situation and it has impact greater with this growing fatality and dangerous impacts on human health. So the only way and the easiest way to get rid or you can stay protected from this virus is to wear face mask and maintain a reasonable social distancing. Wash your hands, but face mask is a prerequisite and important requirement. These masks are very beautiful, easy patterns of embroidery and at the same time are usable, washable with nose wire and adjustable elastic straps. You can make these designer style masks at home and you can save a lot of your money at the same time. So stay blessed, stay focused, stay motivated, stay safe, stay home, and we will soon be back with you along with some new trendy ideas. Now allow us to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing ideas. Stay blessed.